You know, since I've been making music, almost all of my friends, people that I knew, school, university, most of these people have found me and said hello, come to a concert. Still in touch with a few of them. Everybody except Jane. Walking in the pouring rain, walking with Jesus and Jane. Jane was in a tunnel, I was much happier then. If I were to ask you, what would you do with it said? If I were to tell you, would you just talk to yourself? I'm not asking for so much, I'm not asking to be understood. I'm not asking for so much, I'm just looking for a brand new friend. Brand new friend. Well, I was walking in the pouring rain, I was walking with Jesus and Jane. Jane was in a tunnel man, I was so much happier then. I'm not asking for so much, you can do anything you want to. I'm not asking for so much, no, just something that I can hold down, because it's all downhill down. So let me count the times that we swore and we lied, we tied ourselves to the railway line. Let me count the times when of course we lied. Well, when you know better, it was no crime. Let me count the times, let me count the times, let me count the times. Let me count the times, let me count the times, let me count the times. Well, I don't know when I'll be content, but I do know that I need a brand new friend. I need a brand new friend.